Glue strands of synthetic hair onto the doll's head. Look at that beautiful hair. Now we need to curl it. Wrap the hair around a skewer and heat it with a flat iron. And get gorgeous afro curls. And to make the style last, set the curls with hair gel. Trim the ends, and voila! Wow, amazing! It really suits you. I love it too. The hairstyle's done.
Time for the makeup. I brought some nail polish remover.
Let's take off the old makeup. Here you go.
Remove the eyelashes.
Hey, not bad.
We need to apply some cream.
Sure, I can give you a great moisturizer.
Wow, her skin's soft as a baby's now. Lali, now we need some makeup.
I've only got art supplies. A brush, pastel, and acrylic paints. Mix pink with orange and paint Moana's lips. Line her eyes with a black pencil. Take pink pastel and apply blush. We can even add a bit of shimmer.
Wow, you're such a beauty. Just look at yourself. This makeup is absolutely perfect.
It really did turn out so pretty. I love it.
Makeup's done. What's next?
Now for the outfit. So, where do we start?
With the fabric, of course.
Oh, these pieces will work. We'll make the top from red fabric, wrap it around the torso, and sew it neatly in the back. And let's make the skirt from this fabric.
Yeah, but it needs a pattern.
Then go pick a marker.
Pink, obviously.
But she doesn't have anything pink on.
Then you'd better pick yourself.
Let's find a fitting pattern. This one looks good. Trace the pattern onto the fabric with a white marker. Paint flowers with gold acrylic. Now we'll need some rope. Unravel it into threads and make fringe. Attach the fabric on top. Put it on Moana and cut a diagonal slit. Even out the fringe, trim the top a little, and decorate the skirt with lace trim. Add a red belt and a beaded necklace. Let's also take a rope like this. Separate the leaves and wrap them around her ankles.
I'm gonna bring this to the room.
Oh, Lali, wait! Give me one flower. Let's add a bit of color with pastel and decorate Moana's hairstyle with it.
Now that's a great accessory. You look stunning.
Thank you, Lali.
Let's check off the outfit on our checklist. What's left? Oh, what could this one be?
What should we make Maui out of? Well, let's look around. Oh, this won't work. Neither will this. Whoops, but this looks really close. Just need to find a head now. No, wrong style. Maybe this one? Yeah, that's the one. We'll just need to redo the whole face. Use nail polish remover for that. Wipe off the old paint. Mix brown and red acrylic paint and cover the whole body with it. The base is ready. Let's give Maui a face. Paint white eyes, brown irises, black pupils, and add highlights. Outline the eyes and draw thick eyebrows. He's looking a bit too stern. Let's add a wide smile. Lightly shade the forehead, and we're done.
Lali, Maui's got amazing long hair. Let's make it just like in the original. Let's find a matching wig. Lali, let's try this one.
Okay.
No, definitely not it. Next, that's really cute, but no. Next, another. Nope, none of these work.
Okay, what else do you suggest?
Let's make him a hairstyle out of this.
Let's try it. Awesome! This hair is just what we need.
Yeah, it's a perfect fit.
Cut off strands and glue them onto his head. Wow, what volume!
Oh my gosh, that slaps!
Lali, are you okay?
I'm totally fine. Just decided to lie down for a bit.
No time to rest. We're not done yet.
All right, let's move on to the outfit. Let's get him dressed quick.
Okay, we'll need craft foam in different shades. Take bright green, draw a leaf on it, and cut it out. From the darker piece, cut a strip. That'll be our belt. Cover it with leaves and put it on Maui. Secure it with twine and decorate it with shells.
Lali, you didn't forget the tattoos, did you?
Of course not. Paint Hawaiian tattoos onto Maui's torso.
Wow. Let's add some rhinestones.
That's not it. Let's go with shells instead. String them onto a cord and hang it around Maui's neck.
Lali, I need a look too.
Of course. Ta-da!
All right, I'm all set.
Yay, we finished the last item. Here's what he looked like at the start, and here's the Maui look we made. A perfect match with the original.
Maui, let's go.
We made Maui an actual Hawaiian outfit, just like the original.
Woohoo!
And here's our Moana, just gorgeous.
Time to dance.
Let's compare how much our Moana has transformed. Here's what the doll looked like at first, and here's what our Moana became after the makeover. Let us know in the comments which look you liked the best, Moana's or Maui's.
Whoa, where am I? Am I really on vacation already? Oh, someone's over there.
Hi, sweetie. Today, you're gonna be Moana. Take off the hair tie. It doesn't look much like Moana's hairstyle yet, but we'll fix that. Take a deep bowl and pour in some hot water. Dip the doll's hair in it to make it softer. Now let's brush it out really well. Style it with a blow dryer. Secure it with a clip and add a flower. The hairstyle's done. Let's work on the outfit. We've got a piece of white fabric here. Let's cut a strip. Make a top and decorate it with lace and red chenille wire. Perfect. Now let's make the skirt out of rope. Unravel the rope. Take some thin double-sided tape and stick the threads onto it. Trim the ends and try on the skirt. Wow, this looks amazing! Let's add another layer of red printed fabric on top. And a red belt. We'll take off her shoes, put a pretty anklet on her foot, and a necklace with a gemstone around her neck. And there's our beautiful Moana. Wow, I love my outfit so much. Thank you, Lalalu. Hi there. Hey.
Who are you?
I'm Moana. I live on this island. Who are you?
I'm Lali, and I'm on vacation.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Oh, I'm getting a little hungry.
I actually have a banana. Want it?
Wow, of course I do.
Oh, okay.
Can you tell me how everything works around here?
I'd be happy to. We've got a really beautiful island. Lots of palm trees.
Oh yeah, there must be tons of coconuts here.
Yeah, those two.
What is that?
Those are the coconuts. We need to run. No, go away.
I hear someone needs help. Get out of here, you creepy coconuts. Take that. Don't even think about coming back.
Whoa, who is that?
Thank you. You saved us, Maui.
Don't mention it.
This is Lali.
Hi, Lali.
Hi.
Lali, this is Maui.
So, you live here?
Yup.
You've got such an awesome hairstyle.
Thanks. Oh, you like this hairstyle, huh? I see. Lali, we should get going.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, what's happening? Ah, it's the coconuts again! Maui, save me! I'm scared, take that! Whee! Oh, it's just a rooster! Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oops, I really need to step away for a sec. Lalalu, I need your help.
What's wrong, Lali?
I urgently need some new clothes.
Yeah, that outfit's definitely not gonna cut it anymore. We'll need a strip of craft foam. Fold it several times and cut fringe into it. Now gather it up, and we're ready to try it on. Whoa, what a cute skirt this turned out to be. Let's decorate it now. Cut out printed flowers and leaves and glue them onto the skirt.
Wow, Lalalu, I love this so much.
Add little leaf bracelets on her legs and wrists. Now we just need to change her shirt. For that, we'll need some clay. Shape a few little coconuts, press them with a round tool, and try them on Lali. Paint them brown and add a Hawaiian lei around her neck. Let's fix up her hairstyle too. Brush her hair and tuck in some flowers. There, Lali, you're all set.
Wow, what a beautiful look this turned out to be. Thank you, Lalalu. Now I'm a true islander. I'm gonna go back to the guys. I'm back. So what do you think of my new look?
Wow! This is slaying.
Great style.
Now I'm a real islander. La 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 la.
Oh, Lali, are you okay?
Let's dance. Come on. Phew, it's so hot here. I really need some shade. I'm gonna need some logs, a few leaves, bamboo. Oh, what else? Right. A hot glue gun, my trusty helper. All right, let's get started. I'm about to build a shelter so amazing, everyone's gonna be blown away. Ta-da!
Wow, Lali, how'd you do that?
Lalalu, I've got so much experience with this. Hold this right here for me, please, while I pull this tight. Oh, we still need a roof.
Right away. Look what I found.
Wow, that's exactly what we need. Now we can shelter in the shade. Let's add a couple more leaves on top. That slaps. Everything's ready. We just need some furniture. And here's my find, a squishy couch. It's so fun. It's so soft.
Wow, that's really cool. Let's put it inside the hut.
Awesome, it's so cozy in here. Just need to add a few little details now.
Let's lay down a colorful rug.
I brought a little table.
Nice, it fits in here perfectly.
The final touch, flowers. Now we can invite some guests over. Come on in, come in. Welcome.
Wow, Lali, this place is so cool. How'd you make all this?
Oh, guys, I've got so much experience. Don't just stand there, come on in.
Thank you.
Maui, come on in too.
I'm trying. I don't think I fit.
Poor Maui. Who wants something to drink?
Oh, a cold drink would be great right now.
Yeah, me too.
Great, I'll go grab some. Oh no, I don't have any drinks. Oh, this is exactly what I need. I just need those coconuts. I'll go get them right away. What should I try? Oh! Light bulb moment. Come on now. Well, that didn't work. Oh, I know. Oops.
Lali, are you okay?
Everything's fine. I can do so many things, but I can't even get a coconut off a palm tree.
Lali, want some help?
I already tried. Nothing's working.
Lali, actually, this is how we do it.
Take half a walnut shell and turn it into a coconut. Squeeze out some colored hot glue and shape it into a coconut. Fill the inside with white glue to make the coconut milk. Insert a straw and paint the coconut so it looks more natural. Now take some wire and Fimo fruit slices. Wrap the wire with different fruits and insert it as decoration. A Hawaiian flower. We make a few coconut cocktails and we can hand them off to Lali.
Lalulu, is everything ready?
Yep, here you go.
Yay! I'm off. Guys, dig in.
Whoa, awesome.
What a great vacation I'm having. So tasty.
Yeah, this is the best thing I've ever tried.
Maui wants a drink too.
Let me help you, Maui.
Time to dance.
Stop! Wait!
Thanks, everyone. New adventures are calling my name. Hey, wait for me. Woohoo! Let's fly!
Wait up! I'm coming too!
Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new adventures. Bye-bye!
Let's fly!